My relative or friend doesn't believe that your products work. How can I convince them?
Yeah, I mean, it sounds a lot like the way I was when before I discovered what Orgone Energy was and how it works and what its implications are.
Yeah.
The reason why we got into the business was because I was suffering from insomnia, and I discovered that I was extremely sensitive to EMF radiation, wireless, just a wireless environment in general. And we spent a long time trying to isolate what the problems were. I had a lot of sleepless nights, and it was becoming a real problem. It was starting to disturb my health, and I was feeling sick and lethargic. In addition to changing the diet, then we started to isolate all the other factors, and we concluded that it was EMF. So, I mean, it was your mom who gave me this plastic Orgonite puck that had aluminum shavings in it. I was very skeptical. I'm like, how's this going to help my sleep? And I hadn't slept in quite a while. So anyway, that night I had the deepest sleep I've had in days. And it got me so excited that it brought me onto this whole research of what is Orgone Energy and how it's been transformed from layers of metal and non-metal to making boxes of accumulators into composites that are doing the same thing and are more effective using powdered materials instead. So it put us on this journey basically because we wanted to heal ourselves. My insomnia and the other conditions I was having around EMF, and also Naima as well.
Yeah.
And so we started making all of these things for ourselves, and to this day we still wear and use all of our products. All these things we have in our, like we have the sleeping pod in our bed. We wear. This pendant is with me 24/7. Always have it on. And we use it in the garden. We use it everywhere. And we had friends asking about it. Their kids liked it, and then it this business just organically grew. So because people were finding comfort in the material in the products that they were buying from us, especially the sleeping pods. So I would say that have your friend look at the blog post, the blog page, because we have accumulated a lot of research over the years. Talking about how our products work, and we also did a 4-part science series that goes into the science on how these products, these devices work, based on the research of others, and it's very interesting things going on there, like from the University of Pennsylvania study that replicated the Wilhelm Reich accumulator experiment, where he was growing seedlings that were much healthier and stronger and better germination results than in a control environment. The Golod Pyramid study, and why non-metallic pyramids, large pyramids, are amazing as a structure and what they do for the environment. These are the kind of studies that basically reinforces everything into Orgone research, and we're glad to be a part of it.
Hi, I'm Hope.
And this is Tavan.
And we're from Fix the World Morocco, where we make handmade products for EMF protection.
Each piece is made by hand, custom to your order.
When you order with us, you are commissioning us to make a piece of artwork just for you. Please see our FAQs and terms and conditions for information about our production schedule. Thanks for watching.